morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The US dollar dipped as investors weighed dovish remarks from Federal Reserve officials that boosted expectations for a rate cut next month and limited the greenback's upside against major currencies. Oil prices climbed on increased bets of a US interest rate cut in December and mounting doubts about whether Russia will get a peace deal with Ukraine that will boost Moscow's oil exports. Recent price weakness was driven mainly by reported progress in Ukraine-Russia peace negotiations. Wall Street stocks closed higher, extending last week's rally as increased odds that the US Federal Reserve will lower its Fed funds target rate in December helped investors look past concerns about inflated tech valuations.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. Gold prices skyrocketed in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.